Today, what we are going to do is we are going to discuss more on variables. Okay. Can you just quickly open a notepad and keep the heading as variables? So the topic what we are going to see is variables. variables. Okay. First of all, you need to understand what is a variable. What do you mean by a variable?
Uh, Variable means a memory location name of memory location.
Okay. So simply you can say a variable is a container for storing the data values. Okay. You can write the definition there. That means a variable is a container. A variable is a container for storing the data values. What does it mean? If you don't understand the definition, let us say I'm going to say that there is a variable. Okay. The variable name, what I am trying to say is f name. Press enter and then write f name. F name means first name. Correct?
Yeah,
So first name is a uh, string. When I say string, it is a particular person's first name is equal to, just write is equal to, within the double quotes, Shriman.
yeah.
Shriman. Okay. So whenever you are declaring any variable in Java, what you have to do is you have to define the type of the variable before the name, whatever you have given. Here, f name is the variable name. Okay. F name is the variable name. In front of that, you have to write string, S capital string. String. Give a space. So that means what is the syntax to define the variable? Just write one more line, next line. Syntax. So what is that you are going to do? You are going to write the data type space variable name, and then you are going to give equal to variable name spelling tap. Okay. Variable name variable. Variable name is equal to, you have to give the value in double quotes. Okay. So you simply write it as value, double quotes value. Yeah, double quotes, put it double quotes so that you will understand it easily. And then at the end, you have to give a semicolon. That's the basic syntax, correct?
Yes, sir.
On top also, you have to give the same thing on top. So now you see there is a new name which has come. That is data type, correct?
Yes, sir.
So data types are, we are going to have a separate session on that. For now, I will tell you couple of data types. Okay. So the data types, there are various data types available, and we will have a discussion on the data types separately. For now, you just write whatever the data types I am trying to say you. Okay. String, S capital string. You have to put the heading as data types. Data types. Under that, first one is string. So when I say string, what is this data type is used for? It stores the text. Okay. It is used to store the text. You can simply write stores text. Stores text. Next one. Int. Small int. All small letters.
Yes, sir.
Stores integers. Stores integers. Here when I say integers, it stores only whole numbers. Okay. It stores only whole
Whole
numbers.
numbers.
Whole numbers. whole whole numbers. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So you might already know in your basic classes. So generally when you say integers, it starts from minus infinity to plus infinity. But when I talk about this int, it talks about only integers, which is a whole number which starts from 0. And there are no decimal numbers here. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If you have any questions on that, let me know.
No,
And the
sir, it's
next one
clear.
is float. 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 It stores floating numbers. That means decimal numbers. It stores floating numbers. That means, for example, 6.73. For example, 6.73.
Yes, sir.
Whatever the number you wanted to put it under decimals, or else minus 1.67, 6.73, or else you can have minus 1.23, whatever you wanted to put it under decimals also, that comes as part of float. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Next, char, char,
Sir,
char.
is here C small or capital letters, sir? In char?
All are small letters. All are small letters. The data types, whatever I am talking about, except string.
Okay, sir.
Char, char, char. So when I say char, it stores a single character. It stores a single character. So single character means it could be a single letter, either small case a, small case b, a to z, or capital A to capital Z. Okay, clear?
Yes, sir.
The last one for now is boolean. B, all small letters, boolean, boolean.
Yes, sir. Boolean.
The boolean always stores either it is a true or false value. Okay, so boolean always have the value as either true or false. Stores the value with two states. One is true and another one is false. Stores the value with two states. STATES, states. TRUE, true, or FALSE, false. It can be either true or it can be false. There are only two states.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Now what we wanted to do is we are going to declare couple of examples for the same data types whatever you have written here. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So we will define the string, int, float, char, and boolean. Okay. And then I want you to print those values. Can you open Eclipse? So now we are going to create a new concept. I think yesterday we have created demo variable class,
Yes,
and
sir.
we started creating the string data type, correct?
Yes, sir.
So shall we do one more time the same thing? Can you close that demo variables? Can you close that and create a new class? What is the class you are going to give? Uh, EX stands for example. EX variables. EX variables.
Is
Okay.
it okay, sir?
Yes, that's fine. I'll tell you the ground rules also at a later point of time. Okay. So
Yes,
now
sir.
once you write it, I've already told you one shortcut to have the main method,
Yes,
right?
sir.
Public static void main.
PSVM.
PS, PSVM tab. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Now I want you to declare a string variable. So whenever you wanted to declare one variable, first you have to have the data type. String, 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 space, f name is equal to double quotes Shriman. At the end, a semicolon. This is the basic rule, right?
Yes, sir.
And the next, enter system.out.println. What is the shortcut? S
S
out,
out.
correct?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, S out. And then you just write, F name.
Yes, sir.
Now run the program and you should be able to see the F name. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So
It is
you have
displayed
seen the
Sriman.
streamer. Correct. So this part, whatever you see at the bottom of this particular screen, we call it as console. Okay. Console. or output screen. Clear?
Yes, sir.
We call it as console. Some people may ask you to look at the console or look at the output. So where are you going to see the output? You are going to see the output on the console.
Console.
Console. If you want, write it. Okay. For two forward slashes. There only you just write two forward slashes. No, no. After the semicolon. After the semicolon, two forward slashes. Output will be displayed on the console. On the console. Console.
Yes,
Make
sir.
sense? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I am going to tell you some other variables, right? Some
Yes,
other
sir.
variables we are going to declare. Enter int space a is equal to some number. You just give some number, semicolon, and then print that value.
Is it okay, sir?
Clear? Yes. Print. Great. Okay.
26.
Now I want you to print float.
Float. Should I take another
Yes.
variable, sir?
Yes. Everything is a different variable. Okay. Or else we'll do one more thing. Float, you just write some value. Don't give the same variable name. Okay. Already you have used a.
Yes, sir.
Hmm. So float value will be a decimal value. 15 point, some point numbers. Either it is positive or negative, anything is fine. Okay. And remember one point, whenever you are declaring a float value, at the end of the value 27.54, after that you have to put f, small f, 27.54 f. That's how it will be identified as a float. That's the reason you see an error there, right?
Yeah,
Got it?
yes, sir.
Now run the program. Clear? So to make others, whoever looks at this video, to understand that, right? So string f name, can you go to the top string f name?
Yes, sir.
Before that, just press enter. Before string f name, just press enter. Just on top of it, the first line, two forward slashes. Declare string date. Declare declare string data type. Okay, that's how you write it for everything.
Okay, sir.
Declare int data type. Declare float data type. Right? So that way, whenever you go back and look at the program also, you will be able to understand it easily. Make sense?
Yes, sir. But a small doubt, sir.
Hmm.
Like in some of the entry level languages like C, we don't have to write F at the last of the float values, right, sir?
Correct. We don't want to compare other languages here at this point of time because we are targeting only Java here. I don't want to do any comparison with C, C++. Okay. If
Okay,
I
sir.
have to start that way, I'll have to teach C, C++ also. Okay. We don't
Okay,
want
sir.
to compare with other language.
Yes, sir.
Syntax may vary little bit here and there, but we wanted to understand only Java at this point of time.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now, after that, char, char, declare char data type. Char, you just give, don't give a simple C, right? Already char is itself is a single character. Just put some name. My let stands for letter. Okay, my letter let is equal to, you just put some letter, single quotes. You have to put it in single quotes. Any letters of your alphabets. Okay, semicolon, and then print it. Got it?
Yes, sir.
And on top, you just write the comment also. Declare char data type.
Yes, sir.
Clear? Any questions?
No, sir. It's clear.
Hmm? Are you good?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we have left with one more, right? So what is the other one we have left? So we
Uh,
have left, we have done int, float, char, boolean. Boolean did we write? We did
no,
not
sir.
write, right? So
Yes, sir.
boolean. Can you just write boolean also? You just write my bool. The variable name, you just put it as my bool, B capital, BOL, BOL is equal to, you just write true. You no need to put in double quotes. Simply you can write true, small letters, all small letters, semicolon. Sir, how do I know? Because that is a keyword of Java. If you see, the keywords are highlighted with color.
Yes, sir.
Okay, the variables are with black color. That's how you can recognize. If at all you wanted to write something, a keyword as a variable also, that is not a good practice. You should not use a keyword as a variable. I'll come to there. Just enter sys.out.println. Now run the program.
True.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
So now I'm just asking you, for example, if I ask you to declare one variable, okay, let us say I want you to declare one variable with the variable name as boolean. Okay, what I'm trying to say, just enter. You declare one string variable, string, string data type, space. If you are trying to give the variable name as boolean, boolean, give the variable name as boolean. If you see, if it is highlighted like that, that means that is a keyword for Java, correct?
Yes, sir.
So that means you need to understand how are you going to declare the variables. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
So whenever you are declaring any variables in Java, you should not make use of the keyword. What does it mean? Sir, how do I know that what all the keywords are available in Java? Correct?
Yes, sir.
So how do you know whenever you are writing any word, for example, you want instead of boolean, you wanted to write something like int. Just start as type there int, then it will be a keyword, right?
Yes, sir.
You should not make use of that. Okay. So for that, what you have to do is you just go back to the notepad one more time. Just enter a couple of times so that you can see the screen on top so that it would be easy. Just press enter again. Okay. Rules for declaring variables. Rules for declaring variables.
Yes, sir.
So first of all, you need to understand all Java variables must be identified with unique names, correct?
Yes, sir.
Can you write that? All Java variables must be identified with unique names. Unique names. What do you call these unique names?
Keywords.
These are called, these are called identifiers. If it is keyword, you should not use it, right?
Yes, sir.
These are called identifiers.
Yes, sir.
So, for example, for example, your identifiers can be short letters also. Okay, it can be A or it can be small b, right? A
Yes,
comma
sir.
B comma X comma Y. You just write it A comma B comma X comma Y. Or else you can have identifiers as age, AGE, all small letters, comma, total, TOTAL, comma, sum, speed, something like that. Okay. SNO, serial number, right? SNO,
Yes, sir.
serial number. Next, roll number, ROLLNO, right? You can have any kind of these names. That is the first thing. And whenever you are trying to declare any names, right,
Yes,
you
sir.
always need to declare the variable name with a proper naming convention. If you don't follow the names properly, people will not understand. For example, let us say enter there, just press enter, int space x is equal to 60. Okay, semicolon. So I'm declaring like this. Do you understand what exactly x means? What I'm trying to talk about x?
Uh, X is a
It should be a
variable.
number. Hmm.
Yes, sir.
It is a number, just a number for you. But my intent is not number here. Okay. I wanted to identify it is in a clock where 60 is the minutes. Okay. That is what I wanted to do. In that case, instead of declaring like that, this, what I'm going to do is press enter, int, write all small letters, minute, MINITU, P capital, per per HR, stands for hour, is equal to 60, semicolon. Do you see more value here?
Yes, sir.
The user will understand by looking at the variable name. Similarly, like enter string, 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 L name. L name stands for last name, correct?
Yes, sir.
Is equal to double quotes Kodamasimham. So that people will understand, okay, this is the last name of this particular person. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Any question?
No, sir.
So now the rules, what you have to do is, first one, name can contain letters. The name can contain letters, digits, underscores, and dollar signs. Okay.
Yes, sir.
It always, next one. It always should start with a letter. Variable name always start with a letter. But but you can start with a dollar and underscore also. Dollar, dollar symbol. Dollar symbol is shift 4
Yes, sir.
and underscore, underscore symbol. But it is not a good practice. Generally, we don't start with dollar and underscore. We always start the variables with letters only. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Clear? And generally, whenever you start a name, you should always start with a lowercase for the variables. It is a standard practice. Okay. Name should start with a lowercase letter. Lowercase letter. And there should not be any space. And there should not be any space. What do you mean by space?
Uh, Maybe
For
spacing
example,
between word and word.
correct. If you see minutes per hour, we clubbed everything, right?
Yes,
If you
sir.
are making a space, if you can you go to the top minutes, just give a space per space. If you write like that, then that is not uh, a recommended process. You should not do like that. Okay,
Yes, sir.
just make it backspace. Okay, are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Next, names are case sensitive. Okay, you just write this is very important. Names are case sensitive. What do you mean by this? What do you understand the meaning of case sensitive?
Sir, maybe there should be like we should follow a particular way.
No. So you just write two values, enter. I'm just telling you two names, okay? My var, M small letter, Y small letter, V capital letter, okay? V capital A R, okay? Similarly, you write one more, my var, all small letters. If you look at, is there any difference between the first one and second one?
Yes, sir.
But when you read it, the meaning is same, correct?
Yes, sir.
But when you talk in terms of case sensitivity word, the capital letter or small letter, if something also varies, your your variable will be considered in a two different values, two unique values. Okay, that is called case sensitive. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Did you understand?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Okay, so go to the program, whatever you have written there. There you just create int, declare both the variables, my vars, both my vars, give one value to this, give whatever the number you wanted to give, and declare one more variable, give some other number, and comment all the previous programs on the top. Can you comment all of them?
Yes, sir.
You know how to comment, right?
Yes, sir.
Control everything, select everything,
Control shift
control,
and back forward slash.
correct. Okay. Now print both the statements. Print both the statements. You can write both the sysout statements at the end. Okay. After 22. You no need to both the statements at the end. I want both the statements at the end.
Yes, sir.
Correct.
Yes, sir.
Now run the program. If you see, it will print both the values. That means it is considering both of them are different variables. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
That is what the meaning of case sensitivity. Okay. For example, if you write the second one also V capital, can you write the second one also as V capital?
Yes,
See,
sir.
there the system throws an error saying that you are using the same variable again. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
There is
Same
a
variable again.
there is a error there, right? If you
Yeah,
see,
yes, sir.
the variable already defined in the scope. Are you clear? So if
Yes, sir.
you give change a small name also, it is case sensitive. That's the reason it will consider both of them as two different variables. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And the last point, go to the notepad. Just make it as normal. V small letter
Sir,
there.
before going to there, I have a small doubt, sir.
Just make it as small v first. Yes, go ahead. Line number 20, you make it as small v.
Yeah, it is small v. Yes, sir.
Okay. What is your doubt?
Here, like we have written the values, right, sir? Int
Hmm.
a, int a
Hmm.
here, like we have written the data type. It is displayed in different color, right, sir?
Correct.
But string is also a data type, right, sir? But if we write the string, it doesn't display any different color.
Very good question. That I will cover in the data types. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Good question. So in the data types concept, I'm going to touch upon it. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So there are data types have been categorized into two types, primitive and non-primitive. We will discuss that there.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So let's move on to the last. Go to the notepad, and you should not use reserved words. Reserved words cannot be used as variable names.
Yes, sir.
Clear? Any questions or doubts you have?
No, sir. It's clear.
Are we good? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So now you already know what are all the keywords, right? Int,
Yes, sir.
float, all those you can, if you want, you can just write those in examples. Int, float,
Yes, sir.
boolean, string, all of them you should not make use as your variables. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now go back to the Eclipse program, and what I wanted to do is go to that program, and in this you have one variable, right? I'm not going to take the second one. Comment the line number 20 and 22. 20 and 22. Comment that. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, if you run this program, what is the output?
19.
Can you run?
Yes, sir.
Correct. Okay. Now, what I'm going to tell you is in the line number 20, press enter.
Line number 20. Yes, sir.
My var, you just write the variable name is equal to 5 semicolon. What does it mean? See,
We are
whatever
giving the
you have,
value again.
hmm? Hmm.
We are giving the
Whatever, hmm, we are giving.
value to my var again.
Okay, that means you are changing the value. Can you just run this program and see what is the outcome?
5, sir.
That means whatever the value latest you have assigned to your variable, that will only will be displayed. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Did you understand how do you change the variable within the scope of the program?
Yeah, yes, sir. Got it, sir.
Okay. Now there is one more thing. Now you just have it as my var, right? Just remove the 21 line. Just copy that, copy, copy that. When I say copy, just do Control X. Select everything, Control X. That is cut. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Control X. Now in front of int, just put a keyword final. In front of int, put a keyword final space. What does it mean? When I say final int my var, that means I am telling my system my var variable value should be always 19. I should not be able to change it. That is the meaning of final keyword. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, if you see 21 line, can you just paste whatever you have just copied there? Just paste it. Int my this one.
My
See,
var error is
if you
throwing
see
out.
there, correct. So if you see cannot assign a value to a final variable my var. What does it mean? Earlier you are able to assign a value, reassign a value when you don't have a final keyword in front of it. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
How you are going to use in the real world, we will learn later. As of now, if you put in front of the data type as final, you cannot change the value of that particular data type variable value. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Any more questions you have?
No, sir. It's clear.